Thanks for joining me. Welcome. Hey guys, so I got a lot of questions asking me what's wrong with the tumblers or if they're really sublimatable, and they are. They are just $7 because I had a lot in storage that I forgot about. So my loss, your win. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you that you can sublimate on them. This is my Harry Potter printout or transfer, as we all know it as. And a lot of people ask me why I wear gloves. It's just because your hand holds a lot of oil, and I only wear it during this process. You'll see me take them off later on. I just don't want to leave any fingerprints behind that can show up on the final product. And then you're going to go ahead and tape it down. I love this paper because it has lines on it or grids, and it allows you to match it up perfectly so that way you know it is centered. And that is the name of the company right there. Okay, you guys, my office is literally still a train wreck, so don't judge me. Yep, I know. Hey, come here. Bring that cup here. Come here. I'm crazy. Okay, you guys, so we're going to do this at 356 degrees. We're going to do it for 120 seconds. So you're going to load it in, and you're going to let it go for 100 seconds, and then we are going to rotate it and do it for another 20 seconds, which will equal 120 seconds total. Okay, I had to set you guys down and do a quick dance because it was really hard doing this with two hands. Oh, wait, one hand. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I am going to go ahead and rotate this, and then we're going to close it and press it for an additional 20 seconds. Okay, you guys, do remember these things are extremely hot. If you watch my YouTube channel, I'm always grabbing hot stuff. I am pretty sure I have no fingerprints at this point in my life, but yeah, don't be like me. Do better. Okay, you guys, time for the big reveal, so you can go ahead and see how these tumblers sublimate. Now, a lot of you guys have already started asking me about the picture in the back because I did a short, and I found those as well. They are sublimation transfers. I may go ahead and list them. If I do, I will let you know. So just stay tuned and subscribe or reach out to me, and I will definitely go ahead and make sure that you guys are notified when I do go ahead and post those as well. So also, remember to move all of your tape. You know, I get carried away and get a little extra happy and forget to remove my tape. You'll see later on at the bottom. Okay, you guys, that is my beautiful Harry Potter design. I love this design so much, and as you can see, those colors are vibrant. It's sublimated very well. This is one of my best sellers as far as tumblers for all of those Harry Potter fans, and I definitely have one for myself because I love it, and it's just adorable. So you guys, this is the final product. You can also achieve this as well. If you guys have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am more than willing to answer all of those questions in regards to these tumblers. And like I said, they are $7. I will leave the link in the description or in the comments below. Okay, you guys, have a great night. Bye.